In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a flyer in Canva. So making a flyer in Canva is as easy as ever right now with templates. Head over first to your Canva homepage and click on the search bar. Head over and search right here for flyer. Once you have searched right here for flyer, you can see several Canva templates that you can actually use. So some are free, while some requires pro subscription. You can just choose what kind of flyer you want. Like, do you want a flyer for a specific product, a travel sale, an exploration, any referral rewards, or the likes? You can click on show more in order to see other things. So for example, right here, let's head over and then choose right here this travel sale. Click on the actual template and click on this customize this template. After that, this will open this in a new tab. You can just proceed to edit it. So for example, you can change the images incorporated right here. You can just click on elements, find right here some beaches, for example, and then add those photos right here into your actual thumbnail. So head over and change that. You can also add some more things you want added. You can replace it however you want and change the colors as well as the images added. You can also change right here the actual fonts, what's added right here. Like for example, instead of 50% off, let's offer up to 70. You can change the color scheme and anything. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.